Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add video carousel to Squarespace. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to squarespace.com and log in using your user credentials. After doing this, you'll be on this page. So after logging into your Squarespace, open a new tab, then go to the search bar and type in Common Ninja, hit enter. Now you will see a search result that says www.commonninja.com. Click on this link and it will take you to this page. Here, click on the login button at the top right side of the screen. Now, log in using your user credentials. If you don't have an account, click on Start Creating and sign up for an account. Now, after logging into Common Ninja, you will see this page. Here, you'll have to simply click on this plus create widget button at the top. Now, search for video carousel. Now, click on plus create a video carousel button here. Now, this will open up the carousel editing page where you can easily see that we have a carousel in front of us. Now, this is the item of the carousel. As you can see, these are the 3 videos already added to the carousel. You can click on the delete icon after any carousel or video that you want to delete. Then click on this plus add item button. Now, remove this video URL. And if you have a video URL that you want to add to your carousel, you can add it here. You can also add a thumbnail. For example, I click on upload file. I will choose this thumbnail. Now I will click on use media. Now I can also add caption, or you can just click on this upload file button. That is this small icon here. Click on upload file button at the top. Now you can add a video file from your PC's directory here. As you can see, I've added this video just right now. Now I'll select this and click on use media. So this is the video that I just added. You can add as much videos as you want on this page. Just click on add item and do these steps as I shown above. After doing this, you can click on this look and feel. Now you can change the font type of this carousel width, items that you want to show in the carousel. So I will choose 4, or you can just choose 2. So 2 items will be shown at a time in this carousel. Now, you can choose carousel item height, you can choose the gap between the videos, and you can edit this anyhow you want just on this page. After you do this, you'll have to click on Save Changes button at the top right side of the screen. Now, choose where would you like to place your widget. Click on plus new project and enter a project name. Click on Save Changes. Go back to home. Now, click on the 3-dotted icon after this. Now you will see My Carousel created in your recent widgets. Click on this code button here. Now click on Copy Code button. Go back to your Squarespace. Click on the edit icon at your site. Now, navigate to the page where you want to add your carousel. Click on plus add block option. Choose code. Then you will see a small code block appearing. Adjust the height of this code block. Click on edit icon. Remove the pre-existing code and right click, then click on paste. Now after pasting this code, you'll have to just click on preview in safe mode. Now click anywhere else. Click on save option at the top. Now click on exit. And as you can see, we have the preview of this video carousel that we just added. This is the video carousel here. I can click on this next icon and the next video will be displayed here. So the video that I added in this Common Ninja's widgets is appearing here. You can change your widgets from Common Ninja and then copy the code, paste it here, and that video carousel will appear just right here. So that is a simple way through which you can add video carousel to Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.